How to get unbanned on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unban yourself from TikTok, or if your account has been banned, how you can actually get it back on TikTok. So let's get started. What you have to do is you will simply open up your TikTok account. Now I'm gonna simply go to my profile right here. So you will have to go to your profile. Now let's say that your account has been banned on TikTok, or someone else banned you, or there is a feature that is banned now. So how you can actually solve this problem? You will have to go to your menu, your settings. So simply click on these three lines right here at the top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now it will open up these settings and privacy for you. So you have to scroll down and you have to look for report a problem, or you can go to help center as well. So I'm going to click on report a problem. Once you click on report a problem, then you will get different options right here, and you can select from different options as well. So what you need to do is you need to go on account and profile now, and it will again show you some of the options such as how to create an account or how to log in and stuff. So if you do not find any of these options right here, let's say that you want to actually unban your profile page. So you're just going to select right here and you're going to go to others, because we're going to type in our problem. All right, so you're going to click on need more help. Okay, perfect. So this is where we can send a problem to TikTok. So you will simply type in your problem and then make sure that you mention your username. It's really important. And then you can also add a screenshot or a video if you want of your problem, whatever problem you're facing. Click on report and your problem will be sent to TikTok, and TikTok will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved and you will be unbanned from TikTok. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.